You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Okay, so what I find quite interesting is that I did a couple of these product reviews and I'm noticing that they are repeating themselves, like in different form factors but also with different names. It comes with a very extended manual in different languages, and I can see that already some homebrew games I've seen before. Another thing I have seen before is that it comes with two cartridges. The one is the 16-in-1, and I noticed that maybe I can try to grab one from the other collection that had more games. Maybe I can have these interchangeable cartridges. But this one is the 7-in-1, and this means that, yeah, we have extended games in one cartridge. It seems like there's a real PCB inside, not like the crap that we've seen before with the Handhelds from China. But overall, like, this is the stuff that we're going to get in the inside. No HDMI, like old school chill-up connection. And where are we going to put the power supply? Oh crap! My power supply is broken. Look at that! Oh man! Damn it! It's a 9-volt, so it's not going to be in big of an issue. I will search my collection if I can find a 9-volt adapter. Over here we're going to get the one for the football game. Then we have the two controllers. So let's grab one. Oh, fine. So this one is missing the battery cover. Oh, this is just great. It's getting really great. So I picked this up second hand, and oh boy, this guy, he just ripped me off, like sending me like broken stuff. Oh boy. So let me guess, he put the batteries in this one, or just kept, yep, of course he left the batteries in this one. 3 AAA batteries. Going to get a kind of weird D-pad. AB, select start. Don't know what it is, but looks like a speaker or something like that. And then we're going to get the mini N64 controller. I must say I like this thing, like it's kind of interesting. Like the floating D-pad. AB, oh man, what I hate about these things, like they got AB, but they're just going to get double AB, select start here and reset, and also going to get motion control because there isn't this weird blue thing in the middle. Oh, it also works on battery. I'm guessing 2 AA or AAA batteries. And then we're going to get the system itself. Not to forget to mention like the stupid attachments, like the golf stuff that doesn't make any sense. The Vimax. Here we're going to get the cover for adding the games. On and off resets. There's nothing much to see. Also, it can work on batteries. And the input for the power supply. We're going to use some batteries. Let's not forget the adapter. And we're going to get the output for the video. And, of course, the signal output. Yeah, audio signal output. Alright. I think I got a... At first I thought I got a brain fart. So don't forget to check out the Wicked Brain Fart channel, by the way. Okay, so let's add the batteries to these bloody freaking things. It's just a freaking nightmare. Like, if you want to put every piece of hardware with some new batteries, oh boy, you need to get yourself a new package. Oh, I'm very happy they didn't leak, because in the past I received so many of these stupid things that had like leaking batteries. Pleased that they at least had some good batteries inside. Okay, so let's add the freaking batteries. This one does use a couple of double A's. Then we're going to get the version AAA for the other devices. Let's see, where did I put the battery cover? Okay, need to be gentle. Otherwise we'll have an issue. Oh, of course, this stupid screw. Oh, the way that you didn't put it in all the way. Okay, let's put it over here. Don't want to get it slapped open and all the batteries will pop out. Is there an LED for indication? Nope, not at all. Why not bother, huh? Why bother putting the freaking LED in it so we know that thing is even working in the first place? Okay, so this controller is also ready. Alright, locked and loaded. Then they're going to get the final one. Whoo! Okay, no rake it. Nope, yep. So such a shame that I didn't get the cover with the other one. I did check it when it came in, but I didn't do my job correctly. Okay, so this thing seems to be working. LEDs are blinking. There is no LED indication on this thing. Nope, not at all. So let's hook it up. Let's get myself the old school cable, and let's see what we're going to get. Okay guys, so let's try the first cartridge. Before we're going to do that, I completely forgot to mention is that we're going to get two controllers. Yeah, there's a Captain Obvious already shown you, but there is player 1 and player 2 indication over here. Very small, and I completely like missed it out. And yeah, you cannot switch it out, so if you're accidentally grabbing player 2, what I did, you cannot navigate through the freaking menu. So this thing is freaking worthless. So we're going to use this player one. Another thing I noticed, like there is no way of selecting a menu. I don't know if this is only working with the other, let's say the other cartridge, the 16-1. We'll try it. So let's see what we're going to get with this. Okay, so in the previous video we have seen this game, the boxer game with the weird thing like TV karate, and we're selecting a character. It says choose your power. But the weird thing is like not only choose your power, it's more like they're still using this homebrew game lookalike. Round one. But I need to put it in front of the device, otherwise it doesn't do anything. But it doesn't work the same like the Wii. Of course, with the Wii we didn't got the nunchuck attachment, and that is not the case with this device. Oh, my music seems to be stopping already. Okay, reset. Let's try a different game. Why can't I choose a different game? Oh, we need to do it like that. Oh, they did change something out. Like the previous one, we always need to press the select button to go to the next game. Okay, that's better. Let's say bowling. So there are only a couple of games. Let's try the tennis game. Oh yeah. Come on, come on. So with this game you just need to select your character and all the other mumbo jumbo. It does, by the way, doesn't even matter which direction I'm moving sometimes. So this is a white asphalt. CP registering the movement in. What in? You cheater! La la la, I'm waving you goodbye. Double fault? What double fault? The game is rigged. But yeah, that is what you're going to get with the motion sensing part. So let's try the other cartridge, because I am done with this shit. Okay, so the controller, the N64 version, it's a bummer. This thing doesn't work. I've tried everything. There are brand new batteries in it. So, you know, there is only one thing I can do with it. And let's get myself the normal controller. Because let me guess, this thing does work fine. So the fun fact is, like, I have seen this game so many times now, and they just give it a completely different name. This time it's called Hank, the other one it calls some weird name. Still getting a very strange delay. But you see, like, there are a couple of these homebrew games they keep reusing. It's a fun game, by the way, Tank. And it looks way better than the 8-bit version. Welcome Zuma! They even ripped off the original music. So let's see. The weird thing is, like, this game runs really smooth and the controller responds very well. And that is a weird thing, like when you're looking at different homebrew systems, I had so many issues when it comes to the controls, delay, input problems, and this works like a freaking charm. I can really enjoy this game. Oh man, I'm messing it up already. Inkazuma! Oh boy, this game is hard. But when you're looking at the games, it's all like pure arcade, knockoffs from other games, Alleyway, you name it, maybe some games I even don't know. Snake, Square, Lawn Perch, Fireman, Shooto and Tanko we have seen before. So let's try another one, let's try the Motorstorm, just see how graphical bad or good this system is. So I think it's slightly going into the 32-bit. Like looking at the game, let's say Game Boy Advance, but they are like ripping off 8-bit sounds. The background song is just looping and they have ripped off the sound effects from NES games. Okay, A and B does the same thing. Like ringing a horn. Oh boy, this is so bad. Like they're using this 5-second background song, looping it all the freaking way, and the sound effects are 8-bit. What have monster trucks or jeeps doing in this game? So that's the only thing we're doing. Do you know what a fun fact is? Like we're going like 45 kilometers. What the hell? Is there another speed or another gear? Nope. It's not even a motorcycle, it's like a moped or something like that. What a bullshit.